everybody, welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cat and Dogs. Helen here, and I have a Make Market Diamond Art Kit Halloween glow in the dark from Michaels that I wanted to show you. It's just a small one. It's an 8 by 10 or 20.3 centimeters by 25.4 centimeters. Hopefully you can see this. Okay. And it's comes with the drawing, a pen, and it actually has a magnetic hanging frame for it. So let's flip the box around. The box gives you the back of the box tells you what's in it. It gives you some directions, and then here's what it looks like, and then here what it looks like in the dark. Let's see if I can get a good picture. So it is a cat standing on a skull for Halloween. And this one here shows you what it looks like when it is in the dark. I got this actually for only like $5 because I had some discounts that I haven't used. Let's see if we can get this opened. Okay. So, what comes in the box here is the frame here, maybe. Grab my little scissors here. Well, okay then. There we go. So, they are just for the top and the bottom. Of course, they're magnetic. Just hang it up. Now, I'm not going to use these ones because I have some black ones I want to use for this drawing. But they come with that. Comes in a dust cover. Pull this on out of here. Let's see here. Pull this backwards to try to get it to lay flat for us. Okay, a little bit better. So it comes with some directions here. Tells you how to diamond paint. Comes in English and Spanish. Hope I'm correct on that. Comes with this here, which is your numbers, and they don't have DMC codes, so it's 1 through 23, and it's the alphabet. And then once you get down to 24 through 31, them are the glow in the darks. So if you do have two ways to do this, you can actually run this through a sticker machine if you have one, or make a copy and make your stickers for kitting up. And then we have here their toolkit. So their toolkit consists of this really pretty pen and steel tips, which I really like. Nice pen. Very nice pen. And then it comes with this container of wax. As I drop them, good job, Helen. 2 wax, which also tells you on here to peel off the plastic before use. Some baggies. And a small little tray. And then we have our drills. Now these ones here have a number on their drills to match with your canvas. So you know these two go together. So let's check these out. Okay. Set these aside, and we'll set those there to look at this cute little canvas here. Like I said, it's just a little snack size one. Kitty cat sitting on a skull. Got some trees. It's glow in the dark. Let's check out this. Nice and sticky. Really good symbols. Can read them really well. I like that. Let's see here. So yeah, it's really nice canvas. And then let's see what we have on these drills. Let's see here. So we have purples, blacks, purples, red, green, blues, purple, pinks, blues, mauve, some dark blues, dark greens, some more pinks, purples, bluish greens, kind of a grayish blue. We have some blues, purple, and then these ones here are glow in the dark. So I'm going to actually flip these over so we can see them a little better. These are our glow in the darks. We have purple, pink, blue, a little bit darker blue, a little bit darker blue than that, pink, a yellow, and a purple. Now those are all the glow in the darks. So I cannot wait to do this. I done a Harry Potter glow in the dark last year for drills and chills. So this year I figured I'm just going to do a snack size one, and that's just because I have problems with my hands and I've been not being able to diamond paint. But let's see where our glow in the dark goes here. We got some of, let's open this up so we can see it. Some of the purple in here, all through in here, up in here. And then our next one is a orangey pink, like that. And that one, let's see if we can find any. Them are all in here. Here. Then some blues. We have up and around in here. Down in here. Same with the darker blues. They're mixed up in there too. Got some question marks. Where do we find some of those? Wow. Got those mixed up right here around the eyes and the nose. We got the pink, same thing, mixed up around the eyes and the nose. And then the cat eyes are glow in the dark. And then we got all the around here on the skull. So this is going to be a fun one, little snack size. Canvas looks really nice and everything. And all you have to do when you're done, just set these babies up here. Snap that on. And then the same with the bottom, and you can just hang that up. Really nice. Really cool. But like I said, I have some black ones of these that I think I'll use instead of just the wood. But there you go. Really nice snack size diamond painting from Michael's brand's Make Market, and I can't wait to do it. It'll be my first one doing Make Market um, diamond painting. So I will give a review after I'm done, show you everything, but here you go. Very nice. I don't see that there's going to be any issues. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. It really does help us. Thank you. Bye.